Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys this foxy sexy makeup look that you can see right here. The eyes are very different from usual. I mean, this gives such a cat or foxy kind of a look which looks really sexy, and this has been trending on YouTube since the past month, I guess, and I just thought, why not jump into the bandwagon? The reason why this look is so trendy is because it gives that lift to your face, your eyes and everything without any kind of surgery. So it's like surgery without surgery by using just makeup. So if you want to know how to get this surgery kind of a look using just makeup, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can follow me on Instagram at @Moumi Sarkar 31. And now let's get started. So I've already done my face makeup and eyebrows. If you want a tutorial on both of these, then I will link it in the description box below as well as on the I button. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. For the sharp edges and the sharp eyeliner, I have stuck a sellotape connecting it from my lower lash line to my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take a light transition shade and I'm going to draw a very long line starting from the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend it a little in my crease. Now the reason I am doing this is so that we can make an ombre. Now we are going to take a slightly darker transition shade and again I am going to blend it into my crease, and this time I am going to keep it half the length of the previous line which we had drawn. Like you can see, we are also going to connect it a bit to the lower lash line. Now next up, I'm going to take this very dark brown shade and I'm going to concentrate it mostly to the outer corner of my eye, and this will be half the length of the previous line that we drew. And again I'm going to connect this to the lower lash line, and then I'm going to start drawing a winged eyeliner with the help of this eyeshadow and connect it to my upper lash line so that we have a guideline for the upcoming eyeliner. Now we are going to remove the sticky tapes and you can see the sharpness it has given me. Now I'm going to take a black eyeliner, and since we are going to have to, imitate or you can say mimic the effect of false eyelashes, we are going to draw a very thin eyeliner line on our upper lash line which will act as the band of our falsies, and then we are going to again extend our inner corners. So first I'm extending the upper lash line and then I'm going to connect it with the lower lash line which will give that foxy sexy elongated eye look. Now I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it with the brown eyeshadow that I had drawn the wing with. And since I was not really happy with the intensity of the black eyeshadow, I added a bit of kohl pencil so that it would give me the perfect effect, and you can see how beautiful it's looking. Now I'm going to take a white kohl pencil and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line to make my eyes appear bigger, and again for the falsies effect I'm going to tight line my upper lash line so that there are no gaps absolutely. Now for curling my lashes, I'm only going to curl the outer part of my eyelashes and not the inner one because we want to give that fan effect. And then even while applying the mascara, I'm going to only apply it on the outer part of my eyelashes. So with the help of that, the inner part remains flat, whereas the outer part becomes very feathery, and that gives the perfect effect of falsies. I'm also taking it on my lower lash line. For lipstick, I'm going to first apply a lip liner. I'm using the Lakme Absolute lip liner in the shade, I guess Serpent. I will mention it in the bottom bars below. And for the lipstick, I have used the Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick in the shade 02, I guess. All the products will be mentioned in the bottom bars below, so don't worry. And this is the finished look. Guys, I was so scared to create this look because most of the times this winged eyeliner thing doesn't work for my small eye shape, but this just makes my eye look so big, so sharp, and I'm so happy with the outcome. Please try to recreate it with the tips and tricks I gave y'all, and if y'all do so, don't forget to post it on Instagram and tag me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.